Hi, my name is Ayushi Bhattacharjee.
I'm Danielle Chiu.
My name is Asmi Shirsat. I'm Myisha Hassan.
We are all senior mechanical engineering students at the Cooper Union's Albert Nurkin School of Engineering. We are proud to present our NYSID submission for the 2025-26 school year. At the CP Unlimited West Farm Center, vinyl weeding for heat transfer t-shirt production is a job many workers with cerebral palsy, CP, have difficulty performing due to its visual demands and reliance on two functional hands. This project examines the constraints that prevent workers with CP from participating in vinyl weeding and presents an assistive device intended to enable one-handed operation.
The current vinyl weeding process is a dual-handed task because of the following 4 factors. One hand must weed the vinyl with a weeding tool. A second hand must stabilize the entire vinyl and pin down small vinyl details. To delineate cut vinyl boundaries, a third element, a flashlight, is often required. A second hand is required to remove sticky vinyl waste from the weeding tool.
Our design goals were highlight and differentiate waste vinyl, facilitate one-handed operation, decrease weeding time, and meet OSHA safety standards. Our final design is the Vinyl Weeding Workstation, VWW, a workstation enabling one-handed weeding by heating vinyl to soften its adhesive, clamping the vinyl sheet to stabilize the workpiece, illuminating cut lines, and providing a waste collector to strip sticky vinyl from the picker. Our workstation makes weeding more efficient and accessible, reducing reliance on bilateral hand use.
The workstation is a 15 by 15 inch designed to fit a 12 by 12 vinyl sheet, which is a standard size used at the West Farm Center. Within the workstation, there are several layers, including a hinged frame, an aluminum sheet, and heat pads and insulation. The heating aspect, which is inspired by the stall's easy weeding table, utilizes bimetallic switches to maintain the vinyl surface at 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This operating temperature was chosen to loosen the vinyl adhesive while remaining well below the 140 Fahrenheit contact burn threshold for metallic surfaces.
The system is powered by a 12-volt DC, 120-watt, power supply to comply with OSHA 1910, which states that electrical parts operating at less than 50 volts are not required to be guarded against accidental contact, making the device safer for workers. On top of the workstation, there is a rechargeable light that can be adjusted to illuminate and delineate the vinyl. This eliminates the need for a second hand to hold a flashlight over the vinyl. A 3D PLA print was designed to attach the light to the workstation.
A hinged frame was incorporated to clamp the vinyl down, to eliminate the need for a second hand to stabilize the entire vinyl and pin down small vinyl details. Acorn nuts were placed on top of the toggle clamp screws as a safety feature, because users were scratching themselves when opening the clamps. A waste collector was designed and 3D printed from thermoplastic polyurethane, to eliminate the need for a second hand to move sticky vinyl waste from the weeding tool. The flexibility of the TPU allows it to grab the waste vinyl.
Last, an easel was incorporated to allow the user to weed at different angles. This was done after a site visit to CP Unlimited where the workers requested adjustability. The easel can lie flat and has 3 height levels.
Overall, the unit cost of manufacturing the VWW is $245. We tested the time it took to weed a sheet with 4 participants in 3 ways: without the workstation, with the workstation, and with the workstation using only one hand. Our time study shows that the workstation enables a one-handed operation that is 31% faster than traditional two-handed weeding. To put that into perspective, on a standard 50-shirt order, an independent one-handed worker saves 1 full hour of labor. We interviewed the workers to get their opinions on the VWW.
My name is Mark Sanabria.
And how long have you been weeding or helping with t-shirt production here?
3 to 4 years.
How was the setting up experience of putting everything in?
It's good.
Anything that was difficult for you particularly?
Yeah, I had to adjust only the adjustment tool. That's all.
And then how do you feel about like the easel aspect?
The thing
good.
that flips it.
Do you have anything like you hate about the design that you want us
Nope.
to like? Okay.
Good.
Wow, very good
Yeah.
feedback.
So overall, would you say it makes the process easier?
Yes.
Yes. How much easier? Like on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being not helpful at all, 10 being like it helped the process really significantly.
Give it 10.
10.
My name is Hanif Claxton. from
Okay.
CPN Limited. I think it did help because when Mark was doing it, it seemed like he was able to do it a lot easier, and he was able to do it with one hand, and it alleviates him having to hold down the volume onto the table. So I think it really helped a lot. And the heating just seemed like it loosens up the vinyl somewhat so that it's easier to just come on.